Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn Tomarket stars on Tomarket application and then exchange them and harvest more. So make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to open up your Tomarket application, and here on Tomarket you will have an option to start farming. So make sure you do this every 180 minutes, because like so you will get more stars. So you get some stars when you complete some tasks, but the most important one would be this one. And if you would click on clay free, for example, for me here, as you may see, my level is that one, so it's like a level 3. So I need one more star to obtain and hit some other level. So there's a few ways how you can go ahead and get those stars. So if you would click get more, as you can see, your stars are awarded based on your participation on these 6 activities. So drop game results. So as better you play that drop game and you harvest a lot of tomatoes, then you will get that star quicker. Daily check-ins, if you would log in daily here, some farming frequency. So once the farming will stop at 1080, then you will need to start harvest once again and farm it. Then you will get those stars. Another would be daily mystery code, task completions, and some referrals. So if you would invite a lot of friends, you would get a lot of stars then. And of course, complete your tasks as frequently as possible and complete all of them. So that's pretty much it, guys, what you can do to get those stars. And unlimited stars would be to get and invite your friends here, and then you would get quite a lot of, as you can see, the referral rules. So if you invite just a friend, you would get 2001 star. If you would invite a friend with Telegram premium account, you would get 5 stars. So make sure to check that out. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.